This Coldwell Banker Segerstrom property video is presented by Eric Segerstrom, less than bedroom, greater than BRE number 01013957, LIC number 019482296. Turnkey, move-in ready home in a great location. Inside features include an open floor plan, with great views out every direction. The kitchen is spacious with hardwood floors, and a stainless Jenn-Air range. Open floor plan with vaulted ceilings, a freestanding wood stove and large windows for taking in the views. Knotty pine doors with wood frames add a custom touch. The living room, kitchen, and master bedroom are on the entry level. Downstairs features a third bedroom, third full bath, plus a large bonus room that can be used as additional living space, or office. The back deck has great views and lots of space for outdoor living and dining. This home has so many features at a great price, you must see to appreciate. For more information, review the details below or contact Eric Segerstrom, less than bedroom, greater than BRE number 010013957, LIC number 019482296 at 209-770-4246.